Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about left shift, right shift, and NOT operator. Okay, these are bitwise operators. So I'm going to share my screen with you guys. Here we will take the number 10, right? So we need to find out the binary number of 10. Okay, so if you divide 10 by 2, we get 5. Okay, and remainder would be 0. So 5 divided by 2 gives us 2 and remainder is 1, right? 2 divided by 2. Okay, so we are every time we are dividing the result, okay, uh, of by 2. Okay, so here we are getting 1 and remainder 0. And if we divide 1 by 2, we are getting result 0 and remainder is 1, right? So if we put these values, okay, so we will get 1010, right? These things, I mean, how we take the numbers, guys. We don't start from this 0. We start from the 0 in the below, right? 1010. So 10 and 10, right? And these 4 bits, okay, uh, we are taking 8 bits here. So we know integer is 32 bits, so there are so many more bits here as well. Okay, 24 bits, but we are just considering 8 bits here, and by all the 4 bits. Okay, so we are considering 0 in this case. Okay, 0 means no electricity, or guys. So now we will do 2 bit left. Okay, we will shift 2 bit left. Okay, so if I show you a is 10 and result has a 2 bit left shift, guys. Okay, now we will print the result. Okay, so if I if you see how actually it works. Okay, so these 2 bits, okay, these 2 bits will be discarded from the from this list. Okay, from this uh, position, guys. So this 2 will be totally deleted, you can say. So this 0 is coming here, right? And this 0 is coming here, and this 1 is coming here, this 0 is coming here, this 1 is coming here, and this 0 and this 0 is coming here. Okay, and we have 2 bits left, right? So these bits are empty. So uh, what we did, we assigned 0 in these bits. Okay, because 0 means no electricity, we can say, no electric flow, right? So here, so after this, if we check now, which bits are active, this bit is active, this bit is active, right? So 32 is this value, 22 to the power 5, and 2 to the power 3 is 8, right? So 32 plus 8 equals 40, and if we just run this program, we will get 40, guys. Okay, so when we do right shift for 10, okay, so if you want to know the shortcut how we can get the value, so we're doing two left shift, right? So here we will do 2 square into 10, we get 40, right? So 2 bits left. So this is how we need to find the result, guys. Okay, so so you can check by any other number if it works or not. Okay, so if it doesn't work, then you can ask ChatGPT, or you can ask in the comment section why it doesn't work. Then I will try to give you the solution, or maybe I will try to help you. Okay, so if you do 2 right shift, okay, 2 bit right. Okay, so how it's gonna work. Okay, so as we know, 1010 is the value, binary value. Okay, so these are just zeros, and after right shift, that means 2 bit, right. Okay, so that means these 2 bits, will be discarded. So you can say these are completely deleted, you can say. So this so this 0 comes here, and this 1 comes here, this 0 comes here, this 0 comes here, this 0 comes here. This is how it works, and we have 2 bits left, guys, and these bits should be empty, and in these empty positions we are giving zeros. Okay, so now which bits are active? Okay, so only this bit is active, and we have 2 here. Okay, so the, the value of this program will be only 2, right? Which if we just see this program, we're just changing the shift here. Okay, so it was previously it was left shift, now we are making it right shift, right? So if we see the program, we get 2, right? So I hope this helps you guys to visualize things. Okay, and if you want to make shortcut for this, so 10 is divided by 2 square, right? Because we are considering 2 bit right. Okay, we have to divide. In this case we have to divide, okay, as it is right shift, but in case of left shift we have to multiply. So we are getting like, if we divide 10 by 4, so we are getting 2 as a result, and you know 2 multiplied by 4 equals 8, and we have 2 rest, and that is remainder. Okay, so in this case we are not getting remainder, we're just getting the the result only. Okay, the integer number. Okay, and now the not operator, guys. So what does this not operator do? Okay, so it just uh, it just completely change values, guys. Okay, if 2 to the power 0 means 1, so it will give you 0. Okay, you see, 0 and 2 square. So if we consider here 5, so this is the binary for 5, right? So we will get, for this bit you will get 0, this one 1, this one 0, this one 1. Okay, if you see, you see 1 0 1 0. So this is how it works, guys. Okay, so I hope this video helped you guys. I will try to give you some more practice, and for this video I think it's okay, guys. uh, it's okay for now, but later we will gain some knowledge, we will achieve some knowledge about it, and we will try to fix we will try to solve some problem related to this, and day by day we will improve, guys. We can't be hurry, guys, it's not possible. It's true that people are getting job, and people are having hard time uh, to get a job, and the world is becoming so competitive. But if we want to do programming, then we have to stick to it. Okay, so if you think you can't do it, you can make your younger brother or maybe your children ready, or you can teach them. Okay, so these videos can help them, guys. And if you can check my math problem videos. Okay, so I try to explain all the math concepts with stories, guys. Okay, with stories, and I show the code implementation of that problem. Okay, so I'm just making videos and trying to continuously learn. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.